Hey guys, it's Fraser here, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make your Blue Yeti Nano sound great with the help of the free program Audacity. If you could drop a like in this video, it would help me a lot and it would help others find the video. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. So today we will be changing audio recorded from my Blue Yeti, so that instead of sounding like this when no post-processing effects are applied, it instead sounds like this when post-processing effects are applied. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure you have Audacity installed in your computer system. So if you do not have Audacity installed, you want to come to this webpage here, which I will have a link to in the description, and you want to download Audacity for whichever operating system you're on. So I'm going to download Audacity for Windows, and then you want to come down and you want to click this link here for the installer, and it will take you to this webpage here where you download the Audacity Windows installer here. It's also got the other sources for the other operating systems. So I'm going to click to download the Windows installer, and it will just download to your computer. So I'm just going to wait. And okay, now that it has finished downloading, what you want to do is go and open it up. So I'm just going to click to open it up right now, and then just click yes, and then select your language. I'm just going to click English and okay, and then next, and then next again, and then install it wherever you want. I'm just going to click in the default location and click next, and then I already have Audacity installed, so I'm just going to click no, and then cancel the installer. But what you would do is just go for it and click next, and then just wait for it to install. So I'm just going to exit setup, and I'll see you in Audacity. So once you have Audacity installed, you will want to open it up. Now, once you have it opened up, what you want to do is make sure that the Yeti Nano is selected as a microphone, and make sure that you are recording with 2 channels in stereo. Alright, so I'm just going to do a test recording, which I'm going to apply effects to. So, alright, I'm just going to click record and, talk a little bit. Hey, what's up guys? This is a test recording of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, which I'm going to apply post-processing effects to make it sound more professional. Okay, so I'm just going to play the audio to let you hear what it sounds like without any post-processing effects applied. Hey, what's up guys? This is a test recording of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, which I'm going to apply post-processing effects to make it sound more professional. Alright, so now that we have our audio, let's start to apply some effects. Okay, so some of the effects that we're going to apply are downloadable plugins which you will have to install with Audacity. I will have a link to these in the descriptions. The 2 that we will be using in this video are called Shock and Spitfish Deesser. So yeah, they're really easy to install, but I'll have a link also to a video where I can tell you how to install Audacity plugins. Okay, so the first effect that we're going to apply is the Shock plugin. So to apply this, what you want to do is go to your clip and press Ctrl A to highlight the whole thing. Now what you want to do is go up to Effect, and then we're going to scroll down here, pressing this arrow key till we see the Shock plugin. So we're going to just click on this. I'm just going to click OK because this doesn't really matter. And what you want to do, well, this plugin is quite strong. So I suggest that you turn down the wheel so that you can use your mouse to do this. So turn down the wheel till about like this value right here, because I find this is a good enough value. And what you want to do is make sure that this enable button is, this enable checkbox is ticked. And then what you want to do is press apply. And then that will apply it to our track. And then what you want to do is press close. And that is it applied. So this is what the audio now sounds like. Hey, what's up guys? This is a test recording of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, which I'm going to apply post-processing effects to make it sound more professional. Okay, so next we will apply some bass and treble to our voice. So once again, press Ctrl A to highlight the whole track, and then go up to Effect, and then down to bass and treble. Click on that. And then enter in the values which I've got here because they seem to be good enough values for the Blue Yeti. And then what you want to do is press apply. And as you can see, they've been applied. And what you want to do is press close. And so now your voice should be more podcasty and a lot easier to listen to. So let's hear what the clip sounds like now. Hey, what's up guys? This is a test recording of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, which I'm going to apply post-processing effects to make it sound more professional. Alright, so next we are going to apply another plugin called the Spitfish Deesser. This will remove any hissing and S sounds from our speech, making the audio sound more professional and again easier to listen to. So to apply this, press Ctrl A to highlight the whole clip again, and then we're going to go up to Effect, and then down to Spitfish Deesser. So we're going to click on that, and then that has now applied that, whoops, I applied the wrong thing. So you want to go to, down to Spitfish Deesser, and then it will open up this window here, and then what you want to do is apply these settings to it, and then what you want to do is make sure that it is ticked to be enabled, and then press apply, and then that has now applied it to our track, and what we want to do is press close. And so now let's listen to our audio and see what it sounds like with this effect applied. Hey, what's up guys? This is a test recording of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, which I'm going to apply post-processing effects to make it sound more professional. Okay, so next we are going to apply noise removal, so that any background noise such as PC fans can be removed from the clip. So first what you want to go and do is find a part of the clip where it is just your background noise being heard, so there's no speech or clicks or anything else, just the background noise. And what I want to do is, I'm just going to, I think this could be it right here, because it's where the audio levels are quite low. And so let's listen to this and make sure that it's just background noise. I think that maybe had a bit of me breathing in it, so I'll find another bit. Let's see. In fact, I will go for maybe this bit at the end. Yep, that's just background noise. So what you want to do is just select that, and what we're going to go to up and do is go to Effect, and then you want to go to Noise Removal. Where is it? Noise Reduction, sorry. And then what you want to do is get the noise profile. So this is the first step. So I'm just going to click Get Noise Profile. And what that does is just, it finds what the, what like the background noise is. And then what we want to do is press Ctrl A to select our whole track, because we're going to apply the noise removal now, and go back up to Effect and then back up to Noise Reduction. And then what you want to do is enter these settings again. And what we're going to do is make sure that the noise is on reduce, because it's going to reduce the noise profile which we have recorded, which is the background noise. And what you want to do is click OK, and then as you should see, we now have removed our background noise. So if I listen to this part where the background noise was before, it's a lot quieter, and then now this is what the whole track sounds like. Hey, what's up guys? This is a test recording of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, which I'm going to apply post-processing effects to make it sound more professional. Okay, so now you can see that the audio is now a lot smoother and more professional now that the background noises have been removed. So viewers will thank you a lot for that. Okay, so finally, if you find that you are either too loud or too quiet, what you want to do is press Ctrl A again, and then go up to Effect and then Amplify. And then what you can do is change the decibel levels of your voice so that you're either louder or quieter. But I'm not going to apply this because I changed that in the editing software anyways. Okay, so now we have applied all your effects, and your voice should now sound more clearer and more professional in your videos. So if you could leave a like on this video, that would help me a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.